I was electrocuted on the job. It was my right arm, and I have my, the rating was just 2%, and I would like to know what is that?
The rating given by your doctor?
Yes.
Mary, there's a schedule under South Carolina law that that rates disabilities based on impairment arising from an injury, and if it's at 2%, then you'd have to follow that schedule. I'm not a South Carolina lawyer, but you can call early in the morning, and I can put you in touch with one to answer that question for you specifically. But it's according to a schedule. But there are other ways that you can get compensation in addition to that. Now, Greg, you're in Georgia.
Correct.
All right. If a worker has a 2% rating, how does that play out as far as compensation according to the schedule? And why are you able to get compensation in addition to that when you settle the case?
In Georgia, a 2% rating to the body as a whole would translate into only 6 weeks of workers' compensation benefits. So I would try to see what the impairment rating to your arm may be. It may be different than the body as a whole, but it just translates into a certain number of weeks of benefits. But with an electrocution injury, I would look to see if there was a third-party claim, a personal injury claim, as to why you were electrocuted in the first place.
Could that be some negligence, possibly?
Absolutely. We're involved in a number of those cases, and it's not unusual that you have a situation where you are electrocuted on the job, but it's caused by other companies' negligence in causing that hazard to exist. So that's something you should definitely pursue, Mary. Consult a workers' compensation lawyer and a personal injury lawyer about that right away.